Okay, guys, happy Tuesday. I want to keep these matrices going for a little while. Again, it's just a nice change in pace. It's easy to learn. It's setting you up for college. And you will be doing a little bit of this in Trig Pre-Calc. So for those of you looking ahead, this is going to help. I'm not going to teach you everything again like I've been teaching my grandson. I'm giving you some of the basics so you have somewhere to start with. Kind of give you a little head start, let's say. But anyways, how do you multiply matrices by scalars, right? Okay, I think my Apple Pencil died on me there. I think I need to recharge it. So, warning, my writing's going to be probably even sloppier than it normally is. Scary thought. But anyways, scalars, guys, are just simply numbers. We're just going to multiply a matrix of different sizes with a constant, a number. And it's so easy to learn, okay? Watch this. So, as you can see here, guys, there is a video you can watch. Again, that's up to you. But I assigned the notes here, and then I chose these two practice assignments just to give you a little direction on what I want to do, okay, with this. And so, speaking of the notes, again, the notes look something like this. Guys, not only take notes, but go ahead and do the check for understanding, because it's going to, when you click check down here, it's going to let you know whether you're doing it right or wrong. But guys, watch how simple this is, okay? Watch how simple this is. This says right here, they want -3 times big B. Now, what is big B here? It's the matrix. And so, you know how you're going to do -3 times big B? You're literally going to times every number in big B, matrix B, by -3. So, -3 times -4 is 12. You would type it in there. -3 times -2 is +6. -3 times 7 is -21. Watch your signs. -3 times 1 is -3. So one thing you're doing with me, hopefully, if you do this with me, is not only are you learning about matrices, but I'm making sure you review integers a little bit. Get a little bit better with multiplying and dividing, adding, subtracting with negatives, okay? Anyways, here was the other one that I noticed on the article or notes section is they wanted 1/3 of big C. What they mean is I'm just literally going to do 1/3 of each of these numbers. That's going to be 1/3 of big C, matrix C. Now, 1/3, guys, I hope you understand, 1/3 really means divide by 3, right? So that's what I'm going to do. If you really need to use your calculator, by the way, go ahead and do that. -42 divided by 3, you see, would be -14. 27 divided by 3 would be a 9. -3 divided by 3 would be -1. That right there, guys, would be 1/3 of C. And of course, down here, you'd have the check button to check to make sure you did it right. Now, let's get to the regular lesson. Okay, here's the actual practice I assigned you right after the notes. And it's really simple. -2 times 0, guys, you're going to type right in here 0. -2 times -1, you're going to type right in there a +2. -2 times -2, a +4. So this right here is a resulting matrix. Again, all we're doing is timesing by a number which has a fancy name called scalar. Okay, let's do at least one or two more. Look at this one right here. It's timesing 8 times this matrix, right? So I'm just going to take 8 times every part of the matrix. So 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times -1 is -8. 8 times 3 is 24. It's that simple. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. And so that right there, guys, would be your resulting matrix. One more, and then I'll leave the rest for you to do on your own. Guys, I wanted to do this one because of the -6. Whew, I had to turn the air conditioning on in my studios, i.e. my car. But that's my good old fancy studio, right? So, anyways, of course I shut off the radio there too. But anyways, so guys, I want to do this one, as I was saying, because of the -6. I want to remind you, be careful your negatives. One more time out of a million times, right? But anyways, -6 times 0 is 0, right? Just put a 0 there. -6 times -1 is +6. Put a +6 there. -6 times a -2 is +12. -6 times 0 again is 0. -6 times 3 is -18. And finally, -6 times -2, +12 again. And that right there, guys, would be the resulting matrix. Okay? And you'll have to do one or two more on your own. Okay? But besides that, guys, I hope you're getting this. I hope you're agreeing that this was a great idea to do some matrices because they're so easy to learn and play with. All right? I'll see you around.